Good morning. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. Four minutes to the market open. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. All right. Just making sure y'all can hear me. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Two minutes before the market opens. Look alive. One minute before the market opens. We're looking for 35 points, 35 point stop loss. And the market's open in 10 seconds. There's a red line. We might be going short. And
Sell order filled.
And we're short. Got an okay fill because it quickly bounced back. Looking short. Our goal target is 26,159 ish, 0.25. 26,149.25. That's our target. We're in the money. $200, $300 in the money. Goal is $700 or 35 points. ticks, you would have to times 35 times 4. Is that 140? It's looking good. It's going down in the direction we want. It's needed to go down more. It's pushing down. You need to keep pushing down. Another push down. One more push down. Come on. Come on. Almost there.
Limit order filled.
All right, and we got it. And we just passed the evaluation. All right. We're at $3,070. We passed the evaluation by $70. So it's a good thing we didn't trade yesterday, because it would have been a loser. Would have been a loser. Less than 3 minutes. Oh, we made $700. Yes. What profession in the world can you do that? Zero product. We bought, well, the product is the futures market. You bought something. We bought the futures contract, but in just 3 minutes, it went up in $700 in value. And we got in there right when it broke this, I guess, right around there. Straight down. A little bit of a pullback. We did it. The 15-second chart has been the one last couple of days where the formation's the best. This one doesn't have the best formation. Because you see here, you have a swing high, then 1, 2, it breaks before that 2's over. Here we have a swing high, 1, 2, it holds and then breaks. That's the better formation. I normally don't do a line like that, but that is the correct read there. double top adds as discouragement to go higher. Trend line break, confirmation to get in. Rode the wave, multiple time frame confirmations. We didn't really go by that, I just go by the indicator I have programmed, but this is the logic behind the indicator. Okay, so just real quick here. Okay, here's the strategy, people. So today it worked out to read the pre-market numbers, swing low. These are higher swing lows, so you have a trend line connecting the swing low points. And then you have these higher swing highs where you look for the break of these points. Or you look for, that sets the top trend line. So here's the market open right here. Pre-market trend line is there. You could do something like this. Okay, it sets that line there, it closes below the break. Get in on the close below the break. And then you can either do like set it just above the highs. So you're risking 16 and then you can go for 16. I like to go for like 35. Something about 35. Market does move for 35. So there's a nice 2 to 1 risk to reward. Yeah, rough over 2 to 1 risk to reward. It's a really nice risk to reward trade right there. Market's continuing down because it failed to make a higher high. Here's the higher high. This swing high is lower. This is a higher swing high. This is a higher swing high, but it's still lower than this swing high. So it's kind of turning over. If it breaks this swing low, then we're really pushing. But this trade right here is still standing strong. If you're just going for 10 points, that would have worked out. Sometimes even just don't be greedy, go for 10. You can still have like a 35-point stop loss, so you have plenty of wiggle room. But if you would have just gone for 10, it would have gone pretty much straight into the profit if you had patience. Why do I do a 35-point stop loss? Well, it's only $700 of the two $2,500 allotted trailing drawdown that Apex has, so it's within my losing within my losing parameters. Okay, I'm gonna call today early. It's Friday. We'll see you guys Monday. I'll have a funded account for you, and we'll be pushing towards our next payout. Let's get one before Christmas, huh? Let's get the money in the bank before Christmas. We'll have a little Christmas bonus. That'd be nice. Really nice to get it before Black Friday. And you'll be able to get those deals. Alrighty then, like, comment, subscribe, use code TIM at apextraderfunding.com and get the best discounts possible always. Alright, peace. See you guys Monday. Oh, cool. We got some comments I didn't see over there. Morocco. All right. Cool, man. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. There's no. All right. Welcome, Morocco. Have a good weekend in Morocco, and see you Monday. Peace.